Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe and subscribe to this channel so we can build it up. Thank you very much indeed as we review properties here and around the world each week. And today we're in Alabama, yes, USA, and we're looking at this beautiful house on Mobile Bay. And it certainly is beautiful. It's $6 million, and what a spectacular property we have. Look at that. It's a beauty, isn't it? Look at the columns at the front here. Big columns going all the way up, very high ceilings indeed. And it's so high that they've even exposed some of the plumbing there because that's how high it is. Now looking at the front here, lovely growth up there on the hedges. Lots of maintenance, of course, but with this money, you can probably afford it. Look at the roof lines, beautiful roof lines. Look at this, old meets new, a pool house and more, on the water, near the water. It's all there. It is a fabulous mansion at $6 million, just under, 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 8,200 square feet. It is beautiful. And look at this spiral staircase, loving these very narrow steps, and they look stunning as well from the other side. We see an amazing light fitting with driftwood up here, and then beautiful gold framed pictures. There's those steps there. Look at the steps. There's a bit of a shape to it, bit of a cut to it, and looks pretty impressive, I must say myself. I really like it. So into the hallway, wide hallway, beautiful wide timber floors, washroom in here, and more. It really is quite a stunning, stunning property. Loving this for sure, and hope you are too. Just adjusting the camera there a little bit. So into the lounge room. Look at the fireplace, both sides, practical, good use of the gas fireplace, dining room and lounge room. French doors galore all over the place at the back here. Beautiful timber beams, white timber, stunning, gorgeous furnishings as well. It is just a beautiful house. And of course, I missed the fireplace, the big stone fireplace. Beautiful as well. That cream color, that beach colors for sure. And into the kitchen, massive island, stone bench top, looking stunning with some nice gray veins in it. Beautiful light fittings, down lights, and views out to Mobile Bay. Looking beautiful for sure. Cabinetry all the way along. Well done. Extractor fan. Not much to not like about this house. Even this little dog here. Yes, the dog is a cushion. Very impressive. That must be their dog, I'm sure. And, well, a copy of their dog, a photo. Out to the views of the bay, Mobile Bay, and they've got their own jetty. It is impressive. Lovely sash windows as well. Stunning indeed. And into the master bedroom we see a walk-in robe, walk-in ensuite, and a four-poster with some lovely furnishings. High ceiling, and we love how there's a speaker up there, fans, and wood paneling as well. Just really nice. What a wonderful example of a great home. Let's pause for a moment and think how wonderful this actually is. It really is quite beautiful. French doors out into a sunroom and a place to sit, relax, and read a book. Loving this big entranceway here. Lovely and wide entranceway. That is nice. I mean, with a capital N. French doors out again to the pool. Views to the water and their own jetty. I mean, it is impressive. This is an estate, and Alabama delivers at $6 million. It certainly does. You leave to some of the more affordable states, and here we are. So into the ensuite, double basins, his and hers, and a lovely makeup table here, plantation shutters, and also some light windows at the top to let in that natural light there, and a sunken bath as well, boxed in there, beautifully done. And there we are. Plantation shutters looking good from this angle too, and very, very nice light fittings as well. Outside shower, look at that. Ooh, that's good. Indoor shower, outdoor shower, no doubt servicing the pool area. That's clever. I love how they've done that, combined the both next to each other. Very, very impressive. So into the Butler's, is it? Butler's pantry in here, and servicing area there. Loving this sink with the old-fashioned reproduction taps and the very heavy wearing sink. Steps down here to these French doors into the gym. Light fittings galore, vents everywhere, and lots of cupboard space as well. There's a bit of sea life up here in the white. And look at this bank of storage here into this wardrobe. This is ginormous. And look at the storage up the top. Always plenty of practical space here. Even around this side, the cupboards and drawers everywhere to be seen. What a fabulous walk-in robe that is. Especially near the beach, just so much storage, so practical. Not the same as living in a city apartment, so much different. A lifestyle home, and for sure. $6 million. What do you think, folks? Good or bad? Do you like it? Do you love it? I love it. Dining table here, stone fireplace with gas. The other side we're seeing lovely chandelier, and then those wide timber floors going throughout. It really is impressive. French doors out. Love the color here. Those beams in the ceiling, a black fan giving it that distinctive change. Into the butler's pantry. That's impressive as well. Maxed out on the storage. Double ovens, big stainless appliances, and a very nice tapware as well. So it's impressive. The washroom nearby, or the laundry room, that's looking pretty good as well. Loving the cupboard design. There's those steps with the very thin steps in timber, but almost looking like propellers off a plane. Beautiful. An old-fashioned plane. Sideboard here in timber. Loving this house. Who loves it? I certainly do. There's your bar, wine fridge, and more. It's got it all. This one takes the cake, Alabama. This is a beauty. And we go into a spare bedroom, massive room, a matter of fact, which is also part as a guest room and a TV room as well, with those very comfortable chairs. There's the bar close up. We'll look down that hallway. Even the columns down here, fantastic. And the side lights as well. Big skylight here on the roof into the kids' room, and lots of soft toys for sure. Wow, look at that for a skylight. It's the cottage look, plantation shutters as well. Into the boys' bedroom, and that's looking fabulous as well. Plantation shutters, big bunk bed. What a beauty that is. Lovely furnishings as well. Lots of great toys. And into the children's bathroom. So moving along, a landing up here, and lots of big windows, lots of natural light, giving all the enjoyment of the coastline. And here's a courtyard, water feature in the back, which is turned off in this shot. Then we've got a lovely area out here with brick pavers on the ground and hedge as well. Then we see a couple of materials used on the side of the house. We've got brick here and another type product there as well, which is good to see. That's sort of a plank style. Hard to tell with the paint over it. And then the pool area, well, that's looking pretty good, isn't it? You've got your spa out here and your very long length swimming pool. And look how glorious the house is. Big and huge. Then the pool house at the back, guest house, and out to the jetty. Looking just fabulous. That wonderful lawn as well. It's so much house for so little money when you're in the $1 million stakes. Outdoor alfresco area. And it's looking good too. Love the timber panels in the ceiling. Lovely columns as well. Beautiful columns with lighting on there, and the TV and fireplace all bring it together. Enormous fireplace, looking so good indeed. Basketball courts looking good too. Shoot some hoops there, and looking back on your glorious, huge house. It really is quite impressive. There's the jetty, out to the boat, out for some fishing. Oh yes, you get away from it there. Look how huge this jetty is. It really is quite impressive. Remember, this house is 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 8,200 square feet, and it is really, really nice. Look at the entrance, high ceiling, huge 2-story ceiling, really impressive, and a weatherboard mix with shingles and also brick as well, so quite a combination. Garaging, huge, 3-car, but probably more, and big skylights there too, or big side lights in the windows. Respect 5.950 million. 16265 Scenic Highway 98, Point Claire, Alabama 36532, and it is good. It is real good. I like it. Hope you did too. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please subscribe. Thank you. And liking and sharing is great as well. We'll catch you on the next one as we look at more properties here around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.